What's up guys, my name is Mengerf, and welcome back to Red Dead Redemption 2. It's been forever now since I last did one. I know I feel like I've said these so many times on the episodes, but I don't care anymore. So in the last video, basically we did we're setting up like the all the things we need to do the heist for the train heist. So yeah. So now we're going to be talking to John, actually, if John Marston. So yeah. Alright, one sec, let me just get to this. I have to spam X all the time. Jesus. Hello, John.
John? Let's get on. Good. And you?
Got everything we need.
Good. I think we need another man. Charles?
I'll go get him. Meet us at the wagon when you can.
Sure.
See, Arthur? Ain't that dumb.
Next time, let the wolves eat all your brain. Then you'll be a genius.
Okay. So next up we have to... Wait, what? Oh, is that a mission just for me? Oh, no, wait, that's for Abigail. I forgot. That's technically John Marston's wife? Technically?
Mr. Morgan.
What did I want? You wanted money. Just a little. Just a little.
Hi, Arthur. Come here a minute.
What is it?
Can I ask you a favor?
Probably not.
Very funny. Would you do something with Jack? He seems kind of down. All this upheaval can't have been easy on the poor kid.
Why? Because I'm your preferred nursemaid?
Because he likes you and, well, you know his father's useless.
Okay.
Thank you.
Okay. Where's Jack? Jackie boy! No, wait. Jackie boy! Yeah, just being an idiot. Okay, where is he? Oh, there he is. I think I see him.
What you up to?
Playing,
Anything fun?
I guess.
You want to come fishing with me?
Fishing?
Sure. You're... It's about time that you started to earn your keep.
Okay,
Good. Let's go get your pole then. Now, you do have a fishing pole, don't you?
I sure do. Uncle Jose made me one.
Good. Well, let's go get it then. Go catch us some fish.
Yeah.
Aww. Alright, let's just get on my horse. Oh shit, actually one sec. I need to brush my horse actually, because it's actually kind of dirty. As soon as I find out which button activates the brush.
Lift you on when you're ready.
Give me a sec. Oh, there we go. Yeah, this is not. He's not meant to be brown. This brown.
This is going to be
That's
fun.
the actual color that is that supposed to be. All right, let's hop on in.
Hey, boy.
All right, let's do this. I still forget how really advanced this game is. Oh, it's adorable.
All right. Let's go then.
So, where are we going?
Just down to the river near here. We shouldn't go too far from camp.
Oh, okay.
You feeling better? I know you was a little sick.
Oh, I'm fine.
You're a brave kid.
Aww.
So, just like you.
Well, I don't know about brave. I ain't much of a kid no more. Though your mama might disagree. Her and a few other women, I guess.
What do you mean?
I'm just talking silly. It's been a tough few weeks up in that snow.
I like the snow.
Yes, but not like that.
When are we going back to the other camp?
The one near Blackwater?
Yeah.
Well, we're not. This is our spot. For now, anyway. Why?
I forgot a storybook there. We left so quick.
Well, I'm sure someone can.
Oh, I
get
can
you
find the
another
storybook.
Really? When?
All right. This looks Looks as good a spot as any.
I did not know you can actually go fishing.
Where should we stand, Uncle Arthur?
Down by the shore. Come on, follow me.
Alright, let's go.
Just by the water there? You mean?
Yep. Yep, squirt. Let's
You
go.
Show me where, Uncle Arthur.
Oh, Jack's so cute. Alright, let's oh, fishing rod, there it is.
First, we need some bait. I'm gonna use some cheese.
Cheese?
Smellier the better. Now, cast your line. Swing the rod back over your shoulder and bring it forward in a smooth motion. Use your wrist, not your elbow.
Like that?
That's it. Good. All we do now, Jack, is wait for a fish to take the bait.
How do I know when I've got a bite?
Well, if you feel the tip of your fishing rod just twitching, don't yank it yet. That just means one's nibbling. If you feel a hard tug, that's a fish going for the bait, so yank hard to hook it.
You've got a bite, Uncle Arthur.
Oh, shoot.
There, got him.
I see. I see.
Let's wind this little sucker up. This is, I haven't been fishing in a long time in real life, actually.
You see him fighting there, Jack?
What the hell?
That's when you gotta be careful. You'll break the line. Best to wear him out first before you try to reel him
Wow, I got a small
in.
one.
Jack, it's a bluegill. It's almost as small as you. We should really throw these smaller ones back. Give them a chance to grow up a bit.
Oh, no, no, keep it. Oh, shoot, wrong button.
Can I take a break from fishing? I
Really?
wanna make something.
Oh, okay.
I'm gonna pick some
Oh,
of
for
those
some-
red flowers. I'll be right back.
For a second, I thought I used the bluegill as my bait. You know, to be honest, I haven't done fishing in a very long time. I haven't done one since I was a kid, actually.
You see that cast, Jack?
Alright, I'm just waiting. So yeah, actually, I have done some. Oh, okay, here we go.
Come on, Jack.
We got some. I actually done fishing like back at
Now, seems like he's taking a
the
rest
little town I
now.
did
I'm
at the
gonna
beach
try
house, actually, in the
reeling
vlog,
him
actually.
in nice
So
and steady.
it's actually kind of fun to do. Oh, please don't be another bluegill. Yep, it is.
Well, this is clearly the spot for bluegill.
Alright, let's just throw it back. Let's try this again.
I know. Boring as hell. But then, something happens. And you can get food for days.
Really?
If you're lucky. But until then, you just sit and wait. Try not to worry. It's good for you,
It's good for you?
I guess.
Oh shoot, that's what I meant to do? Oh, damn it. Let's try this again. This is actually kind of good, cool actually, to do.
You gotta stick at things, Jack.
I know.
Okay,
What are you
I-
making there?
You'll see. It's a surprise.
ooh, a surprise.
Surprise!
Yep, we got one.
There we go.
Let's see where, okay. Let's see how, this looks, feels like an actual, how you fish actually
You
stuff.
still all right over there?
I'm fine.
Just want to catch
Oh, it's another
one more,
bluegill.
then we'll call it a day.
You know what? This is actually getting, yeah, this is actually getting kind of
Hey,
look.
look at
Oh,
this.
okay, never mind.
What?
This necklace I made.
Necklace?
For Mama.
Aw.
Sure.
What a fine young man. and in such complex circumstances. Arthur, isn't it? Arthur Morgan?
Who are you?
Yes, Arthur Morgan, Vanderlyn's most trusted associate. You've read the files. Typical case. Orphaned street kid seduced by that maniac's silver tongue and matures into a degenerate murderer. Agent Milton? Agent Ross. Pinkerton Detective Agency, seconded to the United States government. Nice to finally meet. You know a lot about you.
Do you?
You're a wanted man, Mr. Morgan. There's $5,000 for your head alone.
$5,000? For me? Can I turn myself in?
You want Vanderlyn.
Old Dutch. I haven't seen him for months.
That's so. Because I heard a guy fitting his description robbed a train belonging to Leviticus Cornwall up near Granite Pass.
Oh, ain't that a little old-fashioned nowadays?
Apparently not. Listen. This is my offer, Mr. Morgan. Bring in Vanderlyn, and you have my word you won't swing.
Oh, I ain't gonna swing anyways, Agent,
Milton.
You see, I haven't done anything wrong, aside from not play the games to your rules.
Spare me the philosophy lesson. I've already heard it from Mac Callender.
Matt Callender?
Who?
He was pretty shot up by the time I got to him. So really, it was more of a mercy killing. Slow, but merciful.
You enjoy being a rich man's toy, do you?
I enjoy society, flaws and all. You people venerate savagery, and you will die. Savagely, all of you.
Oh, we're all gonna die, Agent.
Some of us sooner than others. Good day, Mr. Morgan.
Goodbye.
Enjoy your fishing, kid, while you still can.
Who are they?
Ah, some dicks.
No one to worry about, no one at all. Come on, let's pick up your things and get home. It's getting
Oh.
late, Jack. You might have
Okay.
been worried. Let's head back.
Alright, let's head back, get home.
All right, boy.
Alright, Jack, let's go. I'll give you a hand. Ushka. Alright, let's go.
Why did you lie about where Uncle Dutch is?
Because, well, because those are disagreeable men, and I don't want them to hurt him.
What did they mean about Mac? Is he in jail?
Oh.
No, I don't think so. I hope he's just fine where he is. Like I said, don't worry about them. The world is full of disagreeable men. That's why you got all of us to protect you. Folk like them. Now, how about that necklace you made? You still got it, right?
Yeah, I got it.
Good. Did you like fishing?
It was okay, I think. It's a lot of waiting around.
It is.
Hmm. Yeah, what would you do if you were in this situation? I don't know what I would do.
There you are. How you boys getting on?
Great! We caught a fish, and I made you this necklace.
Ain't that pretty? Ain't I the luckiest? Did you thank Uncle Arthur?
No need. We had a good time.
What's wrong?
Nothing. Just met some folk. I better go speak with Dutch.
Okay.
Hey, you did real fine, kid.
Aw.
We got a problem. What? I just met some guys out near the river. A fella named, Milton, and, I don't remember the other fella's
Ross.
name. Ross. Milton and Ross. And they are employees of the Pinkerton Detective Agency. And they know about the train, and they know we're here.
Were you followed back here?
No, they know we're near here. And they want you, Dutch. They offered me my freedom in exchange, they did.
Why didn't you take it?
Very funny. Well, what do we do now?
I say we do nothing. Just yet. They're just trying to scare us into doing something stupid. We have turned a corner. We survived them mountains. We just need to stay calm.
Huh, interesting. Alright, I think it's time for us to head to the heist actually. So I haven't done. I'm actually excited. This is actually, I think this is gonna be my first heist actually ever, properly. I mean, we did the train thing like those guys said. I think they're talking about the one in the mountain on on episode 4, I think. Or maybe 3. I can't. No, it was 4 actually. It was definitely 4. All right, let's just head out. Yeah, I really wish they made a. Actually, I actually have this huge idea. Actually, Rockstar, if you're bloody watching this video, I actually have this idea for an open world zombie survival game, and I really want. Since I've done YouTubing, I thought to myself, I don't think I'll never do making games like that. So I thought, what's the best people to do in open world games? So I thought to myself, Rockstar. Rockstar can pull that off, because Rockstar, which is the guys who made this game, they know their stuff on open world games. Literally. So yeah, if we got Rockstar, if you... Nah. Anyway, I have like Rockstar. I think if you're watching this, please, I hired my idea. I really want this game to come true. It's an open world zombie survival game set in Australia. So yeah. And also, if you do hire my idea, please put me as the main character. I never done acting before, but I would like to learn. Okay, down. Alright, I think now we just need to go down here. Wait, let's see how much. Oh wait, I can just use them this. I'm just gonna put some horse steroids. Alright, and we. Alright, well, I think we're almost there. I even have all sorts of ideas for it too, for the game I have. So, or if any of you guys can somehow contact Rockstar for this idea, please, I will do anything.
Whoa, easy.
Alright.
Easy.
Oh, we're here. Who the hell's practicing shooting? Sean? Jackson's the guy. What are you doing here?
Shit. Well, at least it ain't your job.
Ah, shut up, Arthur.
Yeah, your job's starting the fights. It ain't winning them.
I can scrap, Arthur. I'm just not good at homework.
I can see.
Besides, what do you care, Englishman? You've got no time for me. I tried to find you work, but then you're off cutting jobs with other folks, and your boy Sean doesn't get a look in.
Guess I don't want to get shot, that's all.
Ah, you're a real fucking funny shit, Arthur Morgan, huh? Real fucking funny.
Calm down.
You better sleep with your eyes open.
Yo, you're gonna sleep with your chest open if you ain't careful, boy.
I love you, Arthur Morgan. I love you. Come on, take a shot. Come on, take your best shot, please, huh?
Grow up.
You were saying?
And let me come on the raid with yous.
Raid?
Don't be playing coy with me, son. It's unbecoming. That bloody train you and him has set up. What you're doing out here, you're going to need guns, you're going to need men.
Oh, that. So Marston told you? It ain't a big show. I need calmness. If I take you, I might as well bring Micah along.
Now compare me to that oily turd again. You're a dead man.
Fair enough.
Anyway, Arthur, what's your problem with me? In fact, don't tell me. I already know. You're threatened by me.
Threatened by you.
Yeah, my youthful vigor. It intimidates you.
Does it?
It's a story as old as the hills. The changing of the guard, the fading of the light. You're toast, old man.
Okay. And what are you?
I'm the future, in all its glory.
Oh, well, good luck. Good luck and shut up. I want to get some rest before nightfall.
Okay.
Wake up, you lazy son.
What are you doing here, kid?
I'm coming, John. On the job.
I said you weren't coming.
Yeah, well, Arthur says I am. And it's his party, boy, so come on, let's go. Me and the big cheeses. Love it. Can't wait to slit some bastard's throat.
You sure about this?
No. Are we ready?
Yeah. Train's due through tonight.
All right, then. It's on. Charles?
I'm ready.
Alright, who's driving?
Gentlemen!
Why am I the only one who's driving?
Yep.
Seriously, can't I be like the side guy?
All the horses untethered?
Think so?
Good. They should follow on behind us.
You find a good spot, Wolfman?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest.
Wolfman.
Damn idiot.
Are you trying to kill us here?
No, what are you talking about?
Yeah. Follow the trail southwest. There's a spot that's remote, but should still give them enough time to spot the oil wagon.
They see this blocking the tracks, they'll stop soon enough.
Apparently,
Okay, this is getting interesting.
new team of guards at the state line, so shouldn't be too much in the way of guns to deal with.
See, this is what I mean. I disappear for a couple of weeks and you cut me out of all the action.
Just the action that requires a brain.
You're a funny feller, John Marston. From what folks say, you had your feet up the whole time, playing sick, and fondling that new scar like you're gonna buy a breakfast in the morning.
They're left here, towards Rhodes. You don't know what you're talking about.
Stay close on this. Wouldn't want you getting scratched by a squirrel or something. That could put you out of commission for the rest of the year.
Why do you have to speak so much? It's incessant.
Plus, I've still got some blood in me veins. You old bastards have forgotten how to live. Go easy on them horses, will you?
I blame you two for rescuing them.
Far too much trouble for what we got out of it.
Yeah, takes a whole army of bounty hunters to bring in Sean McGuire. And look at me now, in the gunner seat. Back in business, boys. You know, my dad always used to say...
Not the dog,
Not
please.
this again.
Fine, damn you three. Sulky, angry, Scarface. A right barrel of laughs. So,
Here's good. Stop the wagon over the tracks.
Okay, I see.
Remember, these are innocent folks. We handle this right, nobody needs to die.
Alright, this seems easy enough. To be honest, lucky, that's why I brought him this bandana,
Mr.
so I can
Smith,
play a part.
Mr. McGuire, come! Get over there. When she slows, order.
and you?
I'm gonna make sure she slows.
Oh
Do or die
Jesus!
with you.
I can feel it. I can
like
feel it.
Get moving.
Okay, it's start time. Let's do this, boys. I came play prepared. Should've brought a hat. Whew. Oh, this feels badass. Oh, even I look like a badass too. Oh, this feels like a gameplay trailer.
What's going on?
Nothing good.
Hey!
Bastard. All yours, Captain.
How do I...
Go on ahead.
Got it. Alright, how do I get up? Oh, damn.
Go! Everything you got! Money, valuable!
I'm begging you.
There you go. Let's make this quick, people! Come on! We ain't leaving till this bag's full!
Pay more money.
I am adverse to conflict. I ain't got nothing. Wanna have a little chat with Romeo and Juliet here?
With feckin' pleasure.
Money, valuable.
Don't do this. Just give it to him, Thomas, please.
Okay.
Thank you for doing business with you.
Everything you got. Keep it coming, don't be shy.
People like you make me sick.
These two seem to think we're playing games.
Oh, really? Pay up!
Sick is better than dead, lady. And I'm losing my goddamn patience.
Let's just do what he says so this can be... Ladies and gentlemen, this is a robbery. Let's make this quick.
No, you go ahead and look for the baggage car.
Tough guy, huh? You sure about
Why are
that?
you wasting
Pay up, you prick.
Everything you got. Money, valuable. We ain't leaving till this bag's full.
You won't get a damn cent from me.
Let me hand you over to my friend then.
Money now! Son of a bitch.
Come on, cup it up, people. Don't be shy.
Give me the money.
Everything you got. Let's go.
Alright, let's go. Next cart.
I can handle this from here. You should check on Sean.
Okay.
Alright, got it. Let's go.
Hey, none of you.
What is it? You alright?
Fill the baggage car.
For Christ's sake, you ain't even taking a look yet?
There's probably something in here, Arthur.
Oh, boom, headshot. Headshot too. Boom, headshot. Alright, let's look around and see what we can get. I'm just gonna loot his corpse. You never know.
I'll look and you provide the cover.
75 cents. We're rich, boys.
Seeing double here.
That gives you twice the chance of hitting someone.
Very funny.
Alright, let's look around and see what we can get. Ooh, got some money.
These folks are rich, all right.
$11, nice.
Gonna have a ride out of it up on me head.
Nice,
You
interesting.
ain't got a hole in it.
Let's check in. Can I open this chest?
Just
Oh,
keep
it's
your eyes peeled.
alright. It's open here.
Doing me best, alright.
Nah,
Oh, that's what's worrying me. We'll take that.
a golden watch, nice. Silver ring, nice. Let's see what's in here.
You nearly done?
Almost, Sean. Give me a sec.
Come on, we should get out of here.
I will. This game won't let me take shit.
Decent stuff.
We got a
Alright, we
band.
should probably be going now.
We're looking good in here.
You can't carry any more items. Oh, really? Oh, I can't take cigars. Damn it! I don't know how much cigars were back then, but you never know. I think it could have been a lot. Okay, I can't take any
Arthur,
more.
we've got a problem. There's two arseholes on horses.
How many you say?
I just see a pair of them.
In that case, we're fighting. Marston, Smith, get ready.
Alright, let's go.
Train now, do you hear? We said you men come out now.
There's only two of you fools. We got a whole lot less to lose. Why don't the two of you ride away? That way neither of you get killed. Goddamn liberties.
There's a few more of them turning up.
Ah, feck.
Big mouth. Okay, let's deal with them.
Alright, let's go. How the hell do they know who I am?
We got more on the left. More coming through the trees. I see them. Almost got you.
Oh, I need my. Okay, I'm just gonna get my revolver. I think after this, I'm gonna buy myself some new guns. Oh, a headshot.
Look out behind us! Coming in on horses!
Oh shoot! Get to cover. Oh sure, this horse. Oh, my big sister would not be proud of me. Come on. Oh, how do I climb? Okay, fine, let's go, let's go, let's go. Get him a horsey, let's go. I'm running! I'm out, peace out, bitches. Okay, we're not going that way. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Making pretty good progress. Oh, come on, come on, come on. Just go on trade tracks, we'll lose them. Instant.
Whoa! Whoa!
Oh, we did it, boys.
That was fun, boys. Real fun. We can see what they call you the professionals in the outfit.
Shut up.
At least we made some money. Now what did I get? Gotta be $100 here. Very nice.
You weren't even invited.
What now?
We still need a real big tank, enough for us to get out of here.
Was that a setup? Law turned up real fast.
I don't know. I don't think so, but I'm starting to get nervous.
Think they followed us from Blackwater?
Maybe. They found me already near Horseshoe, but I think this lot was just locals.
I hope so. I'm gonna head into Valentine. See if I can get something started there.
Good idea. Either
Okay.
way, we should all go it alone right now. You know the deal. Don't be followed.
Of course not, boss.
Oh, nice.
Easy.
I got 100. I almost got $200. Nice. Alright, that seems like a good thing to start. Finish. Anyway, that was an interesting heist. So, yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching this whole video. If you liked it, slap that button down below. Click subscribe, click the notification bell, and I'll see you next video. And remember, stay awesome.